Dear students, topic for this session, the challenges in writing environmental history, written by Mahesh Rangarajan. In this session that you are going to give more activities based on future tense too. The last session that you have learned about the changes in the environmental issues in India, you have also practiced how to make sentences in future tense. Learning objectives of this session to help the students to improve LSRW skills. The intended session outcomes are to enable the students to formulate a point of view regarding our environment and to learn communication skills. In the content, the 4 activities are given and also MCQs are asked. In this session, you will be assigned 4 activities based on the sessions on future tense and the challenges in writing environmental history. You are expected to work in groups to complete the task, and the given activities are both thought-provoking and skill-based. Activity 1, form a group of 4 members for a discussion on arriving environmental challenges in India. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಸವಾಲುಗಳೇನಿದಾವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್. ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. Activity 2. Imagine yourself as the Central Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Prepare a speech on your future plan to conserve Indian forest system. ಭಾರತದ ಅರಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅರಣ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೀಚನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Activity 3. A tour is planned in your college. You are going to visit many natural hotspots as a part of tour. It is scheduled for the next week. Imagine how will be your visit to the scheduled places. Write a report on your imaginary trip. ನೀವು ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೂರು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೊಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. The following paragraph is a fanciful account of a student's visit to Buckingham Palace to visit the Queen of England. Rewrite the paragraph as if these imaginary incidents from the past will instead occur sometime in future. In other words, change the form of each main verb from the past tense to future. In most cases, will plus the present form of the verb. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We traveled to London to visit the Queen of England. Being a clever fellows, we disguised ourselves as soldiers and walked into Buckingham Palace as if we owned it. After receiving directions from a chambermaid, we stepped into the Queen's bedroom and surprised Her Royal Highness with a hearty slap on the back. Then, of course, we tipped my hat and bowed and delivered the usual compliments. After uncorking a bottle of Campan, we exchanged pleasantries and talked about our families for more than an hour. Question number 1. Let's go the hill tomorrow. 8 dash sunny. A will, B shall be, C won't, D won't be. The answer is won't be. Question number 2. Ramya is feeling well today, so she dash in class. A will be, B will, C shall, D can. The answer is will be. Question number 3. Dash our chief guest be here soon. A shall, B will be, C will, D could. The answer is will. Question number 4. Our task dash completed by this time tomorrow. A shall, B will, C will have, D can have. The answer is will have. Question number 5. The meeting dash held tomorrow. A will be, B can be, C shall be, D could be. The answer is will be. Thank you. And you can also refer a grammar book, Communication Skills.